Why do women obsess over men who treat them with uncertainty, but ignore the men who treat them like queens? The answer is not luck. The answer is dopamine. The human brain does not crave stability. It craves unpredictability. When you are always available, always nice, and always predictable, you become boring. You flatline her emotions. To make a woman addicted to your presence, you must master the art of the push-pull technique. Today, I will teach you how to hack her dopamine receptors and become the prize she cannot figure out. In psychology, this is called intermittent reinforcement. Think of a slot machine. If you won every single time you pulled the lever, you would get bored and leave in 5 minutes. It's too easy. But because you don't know when you will win, you keep pulling the lever. You become addicted to the chance of winning. In a relationship, if you give her validation 100% of the time, you are the machine that always wins. She loses interest. To keep her hooked, you must become the slot machine. Sometimes you give validation, and sometimes you don't. So how do you do this? It is the balance between creating tension and releasing it. The pull is when you show interest. You compliment her, you look into her eyes, you make her feel special. This releases oxytocin. The push is when you create distance. You tease her, you disagree with her, or you physically lean back. This creates mild anxiety or desire to chase. Most men only do the pull. They drown her in compliments. You must learn to push. Here is how to use it in real conversation. Don't just say, "You are beautiful." That is boring and predictable. Instead, use a push-pull statement. "You look very cute today, even though you have absolutely no fashion sense." See what happened? You gave her a compliment, the pull, but you instantly challenged her, the push. Her brain has to work to understand, does he like me, or is he making fun of me? This confusion creates attraction. She will chase you to get the full validation. The ultimate push is the willingness to walk away. When you end a conversation first, or when you hang up the phone before she does, you send a powerful signal. I like you, but I don't need you. Needy men stay until the very end, killing the vibe. High-value men leave them wanting more. Always leave the interaction while the energy is still high. Use this power carefully. This is not about being toxic. It is about having self-respect and standards. If you are always predictable, you are forgettable. Be the mystery she wants to solve. Hit subscribe to unlock more dark psychology. Welcome to the truth.